You know? Who know? That's how we do it, man. Who know? Yeah.
When you see them viewers are brawling badness, the shot of them now hide the thing again, a media badness error, the man them not afraid again. So no, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have them video that fit talk about, plus actor and educator Ronald from Royal Palm Estate drop out and Tika aka Flybrain and Andrew Holness I say 25 mil for tips and information related to the Cherry Tree Lane massacre. So before me jump in at the reasoning, pre this.
You know? Who know? That's how we do it, man. Who know? Yeah.
So you just see the umbrella run the colony. That heavy. Dog me now want them man does a dirt that. Pussy where you heard that.
You see them viewers who never know say a crash dummy season. Where every man a run out pan the media and a muggle with strap. Where every man a go on like say them no want live no more boy ya. My people, me and you say that video there is a long time video, you know. Where every man wanna see pan that video they done dead and gone already, you know. All of them done lay down out a duff cut already, you know, with Macky and Worm and name out them chest already, you know. But you don't know the thing go. Every once a month or every year, you have some video where resurface back pan the media. So as I say, get to youth, don't be a fool out there, you know. No make no man video who you know pose with no strap pan the media, you know. Cause a one way that I got any, you know. Notice most of the man them will get video on the media with strap in a hand. Where them there right now? Who no runway? Have you hide in a cave right now? So as I say, get to youth, you nah live and learn, you know. You keep on and make some man a program you and a press up on a button and a turn on a crash dummy boy, you know. For the system come hooks out on the head, you know. So as I say, see them viewers, a muggle with strap on the media, I go on like them big bad and brave. Well, God go with you know, cause when squaddy them pull up, me know say them 9 ball they go bore through the head, cause una no iron man. Some viewers, walk with me. See that brother you wanna see on the screen, actor and educator, Ronald aka Macky. My people, Macky used to star in the hit TV show in a Royal Palm Estate, you know, where used to come on every Sunday, boy, you know, till see it there. Me I hear say them find him in a house. Me I tell you no drop out. Me I tell you no more viewers. My people, that man ya is a veteran boy ya. When you hear that, we a watch them man up on TV from what? Them say way in the 90s and see them people. Say as I say, my condolences to Macky, you know. When you hear that, my viewers, cause I say, a lot of you know they could have grew up watching Royal Palm Estate and grew up see them man ya. Or as I say, them man ya could have probably teach no for one in a school. So as I say, my people, my condolences to Ronald. You hear that? So walk with me again. See me my people, Tika, aka Flybrain, where squaddy them a say him go down a Cherry Tree Lane, go fly the people them brain, till see it you know, squaddy them forward back come fly for him brain. Get to youth, badness is a dead end, and the thing now go nowhere. And no for you now learn. Cause I tell you no, a youth jump in a badness, you know, if you get little hype, you know. Get little front, you know. And little people in the community free of them, you know. So him feel like say, yeah, him big bad and brave. Until he meet him demise. So as I say, get to youth, you know, hurt it. Better you go learn a trade. Better you go look a work. You hear that, you know, would live longer. You hear that, that's the thing there. The thing no there badness again. That me I make no for uno know. Uno no see where I go on boy ya. See it there? The PM, Andrew Holness, put 25 mil for information and tips related to what go on down a Cherry Tree Lane. Them willing to give out 1.5 million to each person for information. So you see right now, a lot of people are going to leak. A lot of people are going to talk. a lot of people are going to sell you out. So you can't stay there, yeah? Think the people them rate you, eh? Uno time has come. Remember that ghetto youth. So you can't stay there. Things and time are going to change, boy. Yeah. This are not like back in the days. When you hear that, see the media there, you sell out on yourself and inform on yourself. So as I say, things and time change, boy. Yeah. The people them get tired enough of no gun boy. Yeah. Cause the people them start to look around and I realize what go on, you know. So you don't care about none of them, you know. You don't care about yourself and the little idiot who are. And you mash up the community, them and they ever see that. So as I say again, Andrew Holness, the government them put up 25 mil for information, and anybody where out there we can pint pan the man them and say them man ya, squeeze the trigger them pan the 8 people them, yeah, 1.5 mil for each of uno. Some of viewers, stay safe out there, you know. Protect on 3 points out there, you know. Until next time, when you hear that,